So basic ingredients, we have some rice milk or any kind of milk such as that. It could be oat milk, whatever. We have 300 milliliters of that, 300 milliliters, which is about 10 ounces, 10 fluid ounces. And we're going to take about 50 grams of Carob unsweetened carob chips. If you want to know what that is in ounces, it comes to what is that, 1 3/4 ounces or 50 grams. We put our milk in a small pot and we're going to heat it up at low heat, medium to low. So to get to this point you may have used a medium-low. Now you want to put it to low. And at low, you put in your carob chips. And recall that I said roughly 300 milliliters, roughly 500 grams, because it depends on your taste. You see it darkening up here. Now these particular carob chips I got off of eBay. They're fairly bitter. Sometimes they taste a little sweeter because carob does tend to be sweet. And obviously they roasted this one a little too long. So that's why again we say roughly, because it just depends. We're dealing with living things, we're dealing with many variables. And it depends on how sweet your milk is as well. So it gives you a barometer and then you can work from there. You notice we're stirring constantly. I don't want the carobs to burn to the bottom. You see it's starting to froth on us, so we're going to shut it off. That gives us our base. And what we're going to do is put that in a container, perhaps even our bottles that come with the DrinkMate. So we'll put it in a DrinkMate bottle. Put it in the refrigerator, bring it down to refrigerator temperature, and then we'll go on from there. So we have our rice milk that has been flavored with carob chips. It's been cooled down to refrigerator temperature. Now we're going to cap it. Close the lid. Put it on the machine. Now we need very short bursts for this. Wait for the sudsing to go down. Number 4. Now we hear that release. That means that it's basically where we want it. So once that's finished, I pull it forward, take it off, and we just give it a little bit of mix. As you can see, this makes it a little bit of a mess, so it's going to take a little extra cleanup afterward, but as you will see, it will be worth it. So I have a pre-chilled glass. I'm going to release the pressure slowly. Push down, turn slightly. As you can see, that is foaming up very nicely. We've taken the ice cream and cut it into 4 pieces, as you can see here. That's just for convenience for making the float. Now we'll take it and put it into the float. And like a good ice cream float, it is foaming very much. 2, We'll start with those, I guess. This is a lot of foam here. Even the foam is good. Let's see if we can get our last two pieces in here. Now we stir them around a little bit, chop them up a little bit. Get the last remaining bits here. We can see our ice cream here. Now doing this does sort of flatten it a little bit, which is normal. I mean, any ice cream float is going to do that. But you always get that carbonated texture to the juice. No. Give myself off a little sliver of ice cream, and this is very good. There's no added sugar. There's no chocolate syrup. There's no caffeine. There's no Coke. This is really good. If you don't mind a little bit of a messy cleanup afterward, you'll really enjoy this. And there is your chocolate ice cream float without the chocolate. Still has the taste. No caffeine, no refined sugar, just plain delicious. Hi. If you enjoyed what you saw in that video, then please click the subscribe button over here. Yeah, that one. Click the subscribe button, please. And whenever I put a video up, you will find out about it. Please.